Hello, good morning. This is your daily outlook for Monday, the 24th of September. The euro has been weakening against most of its major counterparts as risk aversion increases. Spain will introduce its 2013 budget to the Parliament this Thursday and then release the bank stress tests results the following day. The French Finance Minister Moscovici said that he will aim for a budget deficit of 3% of the nation's gross domestic product for 2013, down from the 4.5% target for 2012. In the US, Atlanta Fed President Lockhart reiterated his support for the Fed's QE program, adding that more easing may be needed if jobs growth remains sluggish. The US dollar surged against the Canadian dollar over the past week, recording a high at 0.9816, but the pair met apparent selling pressure at this level, a previous support that will now act as a resistance. The US tech, which tracks the Nasdaq, looks set to challenge its multi-year high at 286,825 recorded last Wednesday. If the index breaks and holds above this level, the higher high should be expected. Oil plummeted over the past week against the US dollar, dropping from $100 a barrel to 92, a staggering 8% depreciation. The price action around 94.10 area, a previous support, will reveal more on the commodity's rebound potential. Now let's take a look at what the currencies are doing this morning. The euro-dollar pivot points at 130 with a preference to enter in short positions at 129.90. The dollar-yen pivot points at 78.35 with a preference to enter in short positions at 78.30. The Aussie dollar pivot points at 104.70 with a preference to enter in short positions at 104.70. The sterling dollar pivot points at 162.40 with a preference to enter in short positions at 162.40, and the dollar CAD pivot points at 0.9725 with a preference to enter into long positions at 0.9725. Looking at commodities and indices. The oil pivot points at 90.95 with a preference to enter into long positions at 90.95. The gold pivot points at 1772 with a preference to enter into short positions at 1772. The silver pivot point at 34 with a preference to enter into long positions at 34. The US 500 is at 1448 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1448. And the UK 100 is at 5900 with a preference to enter into short positions at 5900. And of course, for more up-to-date information, please visit us at easy-forex.com. And on the calendar, the market movers are the EU IFO Business Climate in September forecast to rise to 102.5. EU IFO Current in September forecast to drop to 111, and the EU IFO Expectations in September forecast to rise to 95. And on to our interesting pair of the day, which is the dollar-Polish zloty. The US dollar has produced a remarkable rebound versus the Polish zloty over the past few days. More specifically, the pair rose from 309.775 to 323.067. This is an appreciation of 4.3% so far over the past week. The overall trend still remains bearish and a retracement is likely, but if the greenback can convincingly rise above last Thursday's high, then this could pave the way for higher highs. Thank you for tuning into our daily outlook for 24th of September. We look forward to seeing you tomorrow. I'm Emma Andrew from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a good day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.